How to enable team create and build games on the Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go in Roblox games, and here you have to go in the categories. Now once you're in, you have to select the models, and here you have to add the templates. Here is the toolbox. You have to add this to your themes. Once you add it, you have to go on the settings, and here you have to click on the game setting. Now you have to go on the basic info of the game setting, and here you have to add the name, description, and also add the game icon. Once you add it, you have to simply save the changes. After this, you have to go on the team test. Once you are in the team test, here you are able to send the invite to your friends and also able to play with them. So yeah, this is how you can enable team create and build games with your friends on the Roblox.